The Eurasian cave lion, Panthera spelaea, is a species of lion that went extinct around 12,000 years ago. It was one of the largest species of a lion to have ever lived. Only its North American cousin, the extinct American lion, Panthera atrox, was bigger. Scientists believe the Eurasian cave lion was as much as 10% larger than the modern lion, Panthera leo. It was often depicted in cave paintings as having some kind of collar fluff and possibly stripes. Eurasian cave lion basics. Scientific name, Panthera leo spelaea. Habitat, woodlands and mountains of Eurasia. Historical period, Middle to late Pleistocene, approximately 700,000 to 12,000 years ago. Size and weight, up to 7 feet long, excluding the tail, and 800 pounds. Diet, meat. Distinguishing characteristics, large size, powerful limbs, possibly manes and stripes. Where did it live? One of the most ferocious predators of the late Pleistocene epoch, the Eurasian cave lion was a plus-sized cat that roamed a vast expanse of territory in Eurasia, Alaska, and part of northwestern Canada. It feasted on a wide array of mammalian megafauna, including prehistoric horses and prehistoric elephants. Despite being able to run very quickly, up to 30 miles an hour, like all big cats, they could only chase prey for a relatively short amount of time. However, they usually couldn't run faster than their prey, so they often used ambush techniques to hunt. For example, they might pounce on their prey from behind, or run alongside it and bring it down with their paws. Cave lions were larger than Siberian tigers, and once ranged from Los Angeles to Alaska, and from Siberia to Western Europe. Why is it called a cave lion? The Eurasian cave lion was also a voracious predator of the cave bear, Ursus spelaeus. In fact, this cat received its name not because it lived in caves, but because numerous intact skeletons have been found in cave bear habitats. Eurasian cave lions preyed opportunistically on hibernating cave bears, which must have seemed like a good idea until their intended victims woke up. Why did it go extinct? As is the case with many prehistoric predators, it's unclear why the Eurasian cave lion vanished off the face of the earth about 12,000 years ago. The cave lion population might have suffered due to the severe reduction of species it preyed upon. As the climate warmed, the cave lion's habitat of wide open spaces was shrinking as forest areas increased, putting severe pressure on the species. Human migration into Europe could also have played a role, as they would likely have been competing with lions for the same prey. Noteworthy discoveries. In 2015, researchers in Siberia made the astonishing discovery of 2 frozen Eurasian cave lion cubs. The cubs were determined to be up to 55,000 years old and were named Uyan and Dina. Another cub was discovered in 2017 in the same area of Siberia. It was about 8 weeks old when it died, and it is perfectly preserved. In 2018, a 4th cave lion cub was discovered in the Siberian permafrost. This one estimated to be about 30,000 years old. The cub's body was well preserved with muscles and internal organs, including its heart, brain, and lungs, still intact. While it's not uncommon for explorers to stumble across quick frozen woolly mammoths, these are the first instances of prehistoric cats being found in permafrost. It may be possible to recover fragments of DNA from the cave cub's soft tissues to clone them, and that could one day facilitate the de-extinction of Panthera spelaea.